Hey everybody, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day we are talking about how to use Dave Ramsey's EveryDollar app. I like to use it on my desktop, but you can also use it on your phone. But I primarily use it on my laptop every single day, morning and night sometimes. I have been able to save up $20,000 to pay off my car and put aside a 3 to 6 month emergency fund as a single parent using this app. I really don't know if I would have been able to do it had I not honed into this app and really utilized it to its fullest extent for me. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through how I do everything. So, all you do is go to everydollar.com and you put in your name and your email, and it asks you to verify your email, and it will bring you to the different months. And if you see up here, there's August, September, October, all that, and you just click on the one that you want to work on. I'm always a month ahead. To be honest, I already have my budgets planned out through the rest of the year, and then I adjust it going into it. So here we go. I always name my paycheck something a little cute, like Mo Money and my moolah, or perfect paycheck, precious paycheck, something to make it a little cuter and not just sound so boring. Now, I'm going to show you how I categorize. As you see, if you look at this screen right now, all this here, giving, savings, housing, transportation, food, personal, lifestyle, health, insurance, debt, I don't do it that way. And this is personal finance, so please know that my way is not necessarily the best way, but this is the way I've done it in order to get where I've gotten. And you have to do it the way it's going to get you the furthest, okay? So I'm going to show you how I set up my budget today so that you know that. So first of all, income, that's obvious. If you have other paychecks, you just look, you click add paycheck, and you can put in whatever you need to do. And then I keep giving, I keep savings. Housing, I do more household, and transportation for me is part of household, so I would delete this group. You'll see as I go further. Personal, I do lifestyle. This for me is everything that's icing on the cake. It's not necessary, but it's what I choose to spend on. Let me see, down here. Oh, it's already lifestyle, but I would just delete this. Health. And you'll see, guys, you can do it the way you want to. Insurance. That's a different way I do it. And then debt. If you have debt, you need to pay big attention to this category. I am happy to say I'm debt free, so this is a category I do not deal with. But what's funny is they don't let you delete that one. So what I would do for me is I just delete these over here to make it condensed. But if you have debt, that's where you definitely need to focus on to get out of your debt. Okay. Probably shouldn't spend time doing this, but okay. So then what I do is my 4 categories, as you know, are giving, savings, household, and food. No, no food for you. Just kidding. That's incorporated into my household. So this is what I do. Let's start with the first category for me. Household is, for me, it's rent, but I will call this Love Shack. Water, if you have water, put that in. I don't have to pay for water. Natural gas, my heat is included. Electricity, yes. For cable, I just put YouTube because that's, I feel like, what I'm spending it on. Trash, I don't have. Household for me is all the things that you have to pay for, okay? So, this would be where your car payment is. And I'll just avoid the cutesy name so I can keep it moving. Car insurance. I would do groceries. I gotta keep the cuteness going. Childcare. Let's see what I've got. Your house, power, oh, cell phone. Basically anything that keeps your household running, you put in household. These are the things that if you lost your job tomorrow, you would still have to keep paying for. So I keep it separate so I know what those totals always come to. And if I were ever to cut from my budget, I would go right down to lifestyle and cut things out. For me, for lifestyle, you know, I do this. I go Kate, I go Kaden, I do, if you guys saw like my splurges, it's not really splurges, but Kate Gym, Kaden Gymnastics. Again, if you have debt, you don't want to put anything here that you really shouldn't be, but see, massages. I'm putting stuff right now that these are the lifestyle choices. I don't need any of this. Oh, and this one might be controversial, going out to eat, because that's not necessary. That's a choice in my world. Okay. Now savings, I would have emergency fund, 403B, and Roth IRA. If you didn't catch my Roth IRA video that I did recently, guys, check that out. This, you could do church. If you go to church, charities. Now, this is another thing that I add gifting in here. Basically, my giving category, the way I run it, is everything that I'm giving away for whatever reason. So, to recap, we've got your income, and I have not put numbers in yet, obviously. Income, giving, savings, household, and lifestyle. Lifestyle for me is always going to be at the bottom. Savings for me is actually usually at the top. So look, you can actually move a whole category up or down, oops, in the order that you want to look at them. Oh, work with me here. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm going to spend, it's not doing it. It does though. I quit. Okay, just know you can move these if you do it right, and I don't know why it's not doing that for me right now. But you can put them in the order that you want. So I want you to know, this is the setup. I'm going to do another video very briefly, very soon, of each category and a more extensive version of what I do. If you haven't seen my budgeting video, I'm going to put it up top. Even though that is like the pen and paper version, this is the EveryDollar version. This is what my budget looks like. 4 categories, easy breezy. Please know you have to adjust it the way you want. But this is how I set it up, and this is what I'm looking at every day. The next video, I'm going to get into the household category only. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do, and hit the bells so that you get my whole EveryDollar series coming at you very rapidly. I'm going to get these done for you, okay? So this is the setup. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.